Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction. No? So today we have another SB19 vlogs. This is I'm sorry, so wild out Singapore, so wild out Singapore. Okay, so confused about the title, but I feel like they are trying to um they're trying to incorporate the saw yung simula at wakas, no? But at the same time, sold out. Solid sold out. Akala ko so wild. Solid sold out. So, oh man. Umpisa pa lang ng video, medyo medyo hindi na nag-work yung ating brains, but solid sold out Singapore, no? That's their part 2, I assume, nung last SB19 vlog nila. But we're just gonna chill with our boys with this video. I know that, but without no further ado, let's get it.
Yung mga gamit ko lang po sa likod. Thank you po.
You used to take a long time to get ready.
Eye to eye with the camera, no? Eye to eye.
Hi, morning.
Morning po.
What's up everyone? Nandito na kami sa venue namin sa Singapore.
You know what? Every vlog, si Pablo, lagi mo talagang maaasahan, no? Lagi mong maaasahan na, maghahawak ng camera for the vlog.
We're so excited. This is the biggest venue that we're ever going to hold outside the Philippines.
Oh,
and
okay.
I'm so
Singapore.
to hold outside the Philippines, and
Sa Dubai na po. What?
I'm so energetic right now because it's going to be a blast.
So, meaning ba sa Dubai yung pinakamalaki? Okay? Maybe na-confuse lang si Pablo sa mga nangyayari. Sa dami ng bansa na pinupuntahan nila. Araw-araw na lang, no? Halos kalahating taon na silang hindi umuwi ng bahay nila.
Laki ng venue talaga. Do you still take a long time to get ready? Pupunta muna ako sa room 3. Masoli ko lang yung sapatos ko. KJ!
Wardrobe nila. Okay.
Soli ko lang tong ano ko.
Yun na lang ng mga ganito.
Oo. Hanap na lang talaga ng best.
Sa Vietnam kayo may ganito.
Hindi ko meron. Sabi ko nga
Or China,
yung
no?
ano mo rin yung
Magwang
Prada
ka
na
na lang.
lagaan eh.
Ito mabigat to.
Tapos sabi niya, pwede ba mag-request ng budget for Prada?
70K yun.
Ang mahal.
100K, 100.
Kasi mag-amin sa'yo, di ba?
Do you still take a...
Come on, Pablo. Let's just continue the song. No, not just that part, please. I don't actually know what song is singing right now, so I'm actually a bit curious now because this is the third time that he's gonna sing this song. But yung part lang na yan yung kinakanta niya.
Kasi mag-amin sa'yo, di ba?
Do you still take a long time to get... Nag-uusap kami kasi...
Okay, so mas maikli pa yung ngayon kasi to get ready. Yung nakaraan di ba? Yung dalawang beses kinanta to. Ngayon mas maikli pa.
We want to wear something that's really light pero boots type pa rin siya. Para pero yung mga nakikita namin, nagpa-customize kami. Medyo mahirap lang, medyo matigas, mataas, ganun. Pero mas maganda pa rin talaga yung parang pre-made na. Kasi yung mga reference namin, wala yung Prada, magaan siya, tapos madali isayaw. Kaso 100,000. Okay.
Come on, man. But at least, no? At least that, just imagine the difference. The difference between them before just putting paint in their shirt, in their jeans, in their shoes, you know. Naalala ko lalagyan pa nila ng pentel yung shoes nila, you know, to make it more like very stylish and very into the concept of their performance, right? Do you guys remember that? I mean, still, you know, making that, you know, custom boots that Pablo is saying that I know they have the money, you know, but it's still ridiculous amount of money to spend. No, not very wise. We all know that if they want to, they can, but it's not wise. Spend a lot of money for boots.
W3.
Malaki nga yung venue, no?
Square J.
Malaki nga yung venue para sa
Inception ko,
Atapos.
nagpa-vlog ako, nag-vlog
Oh
ako.
yeah, the venue, ang laki nga. Diba, unlike dun sa mga napapanood natin na ano nila, ng mga clips sa mga SB19 vlogs nila sa ibang bansa, ang laki na ito.
O sige, vlogan tayo, ano?
Vlogan. Vlogan.
Tapos after nun,
Kailan natin yung mga body. Mga hindi pero makakanood.
3 out of 5.
music ko.
Laki eh, no? Laki din eh. Wow! Shit! Sana pati ka mga iman Gigayang matang. Hey! Wow, 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 wow. Si Stel, bortang-borta na ito. Woodtower. Napaka-energetic ng banda na yun, ah. Let's go. Yaman kayo. Whoa, oh, oh. Talaga. Not feeling well ang inyong ano, no? Panginoong Josh. Napaka-nonchalant na. Everyone is si ganun lang, napaka-nonchalant. Hey. Bakit ba tayo sumasabay? W3 ba tayo? W3 din? Oh. Ten 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 ten. Di ano, no? Instrumental. Sino kaya nag-ano, no? Nagko-compose ng parang instrumental nila? No? Ang galing eh. Parang nagiging siyang musical eh, no? Nagiging musical yung dating. Is that the apple? The Eshnad! Eshnad! Nagsimula na pero wala na.
Saan man tagayin ni Pablo?
Still the same ano. Actually, I like that ano the transition of from like instrumental musical of Damn, then biglang pasok ng what. Still, ay, gustong-gusto ko yun. Kasi ginawa din nila yan sa, sa Simula at Wakas Kickoff eh. Hindi ko pa ito napapanood. Baka sabihin nyo, napapanood ko ito. Ito yung same routine nila or same mix nila ng audio sa, transition ng audio sa Simula at Wakas Kickoff. So, yeah. Nagsita na, pero wala na. Dito na rin.
Shooting for the stars, the universe is ours.
Josh ba yan? Sino yung
The universe is ours.
Ah, sige. Dadadadad.
Nasa fight mo tayo, likod eh. Mukhang magkakatotoo yung sabi ko sa'yo, mga ako yung magpe-perform mo yun.
Wow. Sobrang ano pa naman yan. I mean, ang sakit ng likod kasi, like for example, like muscle pain or something. Hindi siya sobrang masakit. For example, like, ikaw nagkaroon ka ng masakit na likod. I feel like you can still do things. Like, you can still go to work, yung normal things that you can do every day. But it's a big nuisance, no? Parang inconvenient masyado. Nakakawala siya ng focus, ayun yung nakakaurat sa masakit yung likod mo. Hindi siya yung sobrang, parang gusto mo yung tipong namimilipit ka sa sakit. Hindi eh. Parang maladala mo siya sa onting ina, tapos mawawala konti, tapos babalik na naman, di ba? Pero, imagine them performing, no? Tapos masakit yung likod mo. Like, I know they already perform every country na pupuntahan nila. But of course, I assume na every country na pupuntahan nila, every time that they're gonna perform 100%, no? So I assume Josh don't want to have a backache during the performance because gusto niyang magbigay ng 100%, right, na performance. Which is napakalaking napakalaking inconvenience talaga ng mga muscle pains, ng Oh, kasama na sa Aruma. They have with Aruma now. Ta-da-da-da. Oh, they are in Singapore. Okay.
You can hear your boses. Yeah, it's the signal.
Pero nawawala.
Kung na-release na rin, ang tangkad pala ni Aruma, no? What the hell? No, kung na-release nila yung mapa na Indonesian version before the Simula at Wakas Kickoff, I feel like we are going to be able to watch it during the Simula at Wakas Kickoff, no? Sayang.
Ano po ngayon? Hindi ko sure kung pinalitan yung pack namin.
Naayos yung signal.
Naayos yung signal. Ay, signal na.
Tangkad pala niya, no? What the hell?
Ito po yung
Ay. Ay.
May eyes.
Ikaw ay 26.
Okay naman yan. 26. Toxic.
Toxic.
9 pre. Siyempre.
Ang hirap basahin mo.
7 hall. Alam mo yung 7 hall? Ay. Oo, alam mo yung 7 hall. City hall. 7.
City. May naalala ko tuloy yung may meme, no? Na chat niya yung tatay niya. At i-text niya yung tatay niya gamit yung mga keypad na cellphone. Sabi ng tatay niya. Sabi ng anak, asan ka tay? Sabi, dito ako sa 7 hall. 7 hall. Dito ako 7 hall. City kasi 7, no? City hall.
City hall.
Yun yung pinakamahirap eh. Yung T4, D4.
Tapat. Tapat dapat.
Tapat dapat. D4, D4. Saan pa rin yung likod nito? Saan pa rin ba yung likod nito? Ay. Indonesia nga pala doon. With Benjamin Kang. Ain't nobody else is come through. Every single time come through, yeah. Benjamin Kang. Who is Benjamin Kang? I don't know who's Benjamin Kang actually, you know? I don't actually know. Benjamin Kang. Benjamin Kang. It's a Singaporean. Benjamin Kang is a Singaporean singer. I see. Nice. With a great body, no? With a great body. Okay. All right. I see you.
Waki naman, waki 3, 2, 1.
Parang kunyari kasama nila. Time for the sound check. Hey, sound check na.
Yan, sige. Sigurin natin to. Habang nag-vlog ako.
Kala ko mag-reklamo na lang sa likod niya eh.
Sige.
Vogue
What do you
questions.
think has kept the band going through the years?
Of course, it's our, first of all, our passion.
Pausa na ako muna. Nahirapan tayo pareho eh.
And our goal.
Yep.
Buhay ko.
Basically, it's the same, no? I mean, that's a very, very short answer, no? But it's basically the same reason why yung ano nila, nagsisimula sila, no? The passion, the goal, ba? Just general.
Ikaw lang ang tanging makakagawa niya.
Mga hindi naman sa likod niya, no?
And grown-ups love it, so... Nasa ka papasok, pre.
Ano?
Bim. Ping, ping, ping. Hindi ko talaga kagawin yan, no? Hindi ko kayang gawin yan. Never pa ako never pa ako naglagay ng contact lens sa mata ko. Ever. I never ever try, no? Kasi natatakot ako, baka mamaya punta sa likod ng mata ko yung ganun. Kasi yan. I cannot. I actually have a poor eyesight, no? Ina-advise ako magsalamin, which is ayoko. Actually, meron akong salamin, hindi ko siya sinusuot, diba? I mean, I actually wear my eyeglasses like 1 time, 2 time during this video. No, masakit yung mata ko, masakit yung ulo ko. But I never actually want to wear eyeglasses. Also, they recommend that I have a contact lens na merong parang grado. Like, what? So, the reason why hindi ako nagsusuot ng eyeglasses is because I look old. I look super old. I feel like I look super old, no? At saka sobrang napaka-inconvenience, di ako sanay. Ang hilig kong magganto ng makikita nyo naman sa mga reaction ko, hilig kong magganto ng buhok, no? Ng mukha. So, pag hindi ako sanay, baka madali ko siya, no? Ang mahal pa naman ng eyeglasses. And also, I don't wanna wear a contact lens because again, di pa ako nakapagsuot ng contact lenses, bata pa ako, no? So, yeah. So, for example, there's a time na merong magkikita-kita tayo sa like in a concert, no? Tapos makikita nyo ako. Just make sure na lapit kayo sa akin, no? Kung gusto nyo akong lapitan, gusto nyo akong kausapin. Because pag medyo malayo kayo sa akin, yung mukha nyo is smush, no? Blurred kayo sa paningin ko. Pag medyo malayo sa blurred kayo sa paningin ko, no? Kahit na pag, kaya sinanay ko na yung utak ko na pag medyo malayo sa akin, pag may tumatawag, nag-hi, but I feel like hindi ko naman sila kilala or yung lugar is hindi naman ako taga doon, napunta lang ako doon. Hindi ko pinapansin kasi ilang beses na ako napahiya. Nag-hi sila, gawin na ako, hindi pala ako, no? Oh.
Come on. Ako na kaya.
Puro lang ihi ako sa vlog.
May artista. That's the thumbnail. The face card, man. That's the thumbnail natin, no? Let me do the thumbnail, folks. Gano'n ba yan, no? Mukha talaga di ano, no?
Shade na
Kaya hindi ako nag-shades masyado.
Kaya nga eh.
Parang feeling artista. Ganun.
Wow, artista siya.
Feeling
Eshnad!
Ito na, para naman validated yung cheese. So,
no photos.
sorry.
Oo nga eh. Paano pag sinabing, magsi-CR lang?
Nag-aaway? Sound check. Eight gun ball, make him push the ground on the ground. Eight gun ball. Hindi ba na-call them? Kasi wala ka sa spot. Verb.
Sige sa akin. European bag.
Clean look. Okay, so just a jacket, no?
Go. I just wanna give you a sweet
Are they going to do a TikTok video? Okay.
Thank you po.
Is this for the fast zone? Fast zone?
Pablo Josh palit, tapos balik ka kayo sa gitna. Yan. Perfect po, bingo.
Okay po, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2.
Singa. Naalala ko tuloy yung yung choreography ni Mimi ni Mia sa Baziga. Ba?
Break on 3! Break on 3! 1, 2, 3!
Break. Diba tsura ni dito? Ni Josh. Makikita mo nagre-reklamo pa yun sa likod niya. Ito naman. Masakit pa rin yung likod niya. Patay tayo dyan. Ken is in a good mood now, no? I mean, hindi siya masyadong marap sa camera like, pag yung usual na good mood niya. Pero hindi siya yung parang, may mga time kasi na parang ang tagal niyang, parang pinapainit mo muna siya bago siya maging, parang motor. Diba? Papainitin mo muna bago paandar, energetic. Pero I feel like sa nakikita nito sa vlog, I mean, di man siya masyadong laging na nafo-focus, parang, pero ano na siya, no? Parang, he's in a good mood, you know? Simula pa before ng sound check.
Let's go.
Tel is always on the good mood, no? Okay na ba yung likod? Okay na yung likod yan.
Energy, energy! Let's go, yeah! Enerhiya!
Nandyan na, binigay ka na yung fusion. Okay na siya. Nasa kabila ba sila, Ken?
Energy bullet.
Meron nasa kabila.
Okay. May tao doon? May tao doon?
Sila?
Hindi. Tayo.
Ano daw? There's vocab. For context, please search Sophie Prime. Sophie Prime? Ano na? Sophie?
Gumanong ka ba doon? Well.
Gagana ako pa. May kumato sa pinto, ano kong naka-well. Gagana ako, tok, 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 over naman sa knock. Over naman sa knock.
Bigla nag...
Hey! No. Sa Pilipinas pala ako. Ang bossing nyo, akala mo hindi masakit yung likod eh, no? Alam mo? Hey! Hey! So, super energetic, akala mo hindi masakit yung likod. It's a pretty light. Laki din, no? Ang laki din ng lugar, eh, no? Malaki din. Nakapot na, boss? Ay.
Do you have any words for them?
Hey, push mo yan.
Push mo yan.
That's correct.
Push mo
right?
yan.
That's correct. Okay.
Push mo yan. Ang tinuturo nyo kay Benjamin King. Let's go.
Medic!
Oh,
Spray daw si Russell.
ako? Na-spray na ako? I'm sorry. Just for the context, my name is Kurt Russell. No? That's actually my full first name. No? My, like, family ko talaga. Like, family ko na lumalaki ako, tawag sa akin Russell. No? Yun talaga yung tawag nila sa akin nung lumalaki ako. Nung bata pa ako, mga kaibigan ko. But again, my name is Kurt Russell. So, so na-injured pala ako dito. Hey!
Sprain daw si Russell.
Sorry.
Stop one more time. Wait a second, cause we're going to the top and made a bet now. Flow another song, let's go. Wait a second, cause we're going to the top.
JC! Hey, hey.
Two minutes 30 guys, 2 minutes 30.
Ano si Ja?
Meron pa rin. Nice. Saya naman. Okay, with Aruma. Doon ang masyado nila yun. Ganun yung lyrics. Yung Indonesian na ano. Bahasa, right? That's their language. Bahasa? Yung Indonesian language, bahasa. No? Sa Pilipinas, baha lang. Baha. Sa Pilipinas, baha. So, sa Indonesian, yung language nila is bahasa. Yung sa Pilipinas, baha. I want to have like the light stick. I want to have that, man. Ay, what talaga? Okay, yeah. I mean, it is SB19 sing the mapa in Indonesian version, no? So, nakatawa na sila naman, Aruma is going to sing it in the Filipino version, like the original version. Let's go!
Not this tour, maybe next tour. Tama? Sorry. Ikaw hindi ka nagbabasa ng group chat eh. Akala ko ngayon. Sorry guys, it's not this tour, maybe next tour with Miss SD. Let's see. But kung pinaasa mo sila eh.
Ano ba yun?
Sorry.
Ano ba yun? Shooting for the Star na ba? Shooting for the Star na, ano? I see. Universe stars. Hey. Sada naman, no? gilid, no? Ay, nabitawan. Ay, nabitawan. Ang laki din, no? Ang laki din talaga. Wait. Ito bang mga nakasabit na to? Ito ba yung sumabit during ano? During quit? pag gano'n ng confetti? The wave again. The wave. Bakit parang hindi naman sila nag-wave, no? Parang sabay-sabay lang sila. Wow. Salon ni Justin yun. They're gonna dance. Dam, right? Dam? Isa pa. Ang damit nila, pang fast zone yan, no? Yung ano ng damit nila, concept.
Congrats po.
Congrats po! Congrats po!
Congrats po.
Great show again, no?
Good job. Congrats po. Congrats po. Change to casual retouch.
See you for
May energy pa? May energy pa?
Hindi, kay
Lahat ng bali.
ano yung
Nakakapagod siya.
Kuman lagi ko nasasayaw kahit randomly.
Wow.
It's like
Huh?
last song in dance.
Last song.
LSS in
Last dance in
Last-
Rome.
Last dance.
LDS, no? LDS.
I can't.
I can't. You can't. You can't. I only know a few words from the
Why your friends tell you
Yeah.
Oh, hey yo. Alam nyo, we just finished our Singapore show and we enjoyed so much. Of course, we saw a lot of international 18 or a lot of Singaporeans and 18 from all over the world and all over Asia. And we're very thankful. Maraming salamat to all who went here just to support us and watch us. Man,
Let's go.
I'm gonna miss y'all. Thank you for the simula to us.
Ba't na masakit yung likod niyan?
Even though we had a lot of difficulties, I hope you guys enjoyed and see you till the next time. Love
See you next stop. Spotify. Okay. So here we go again. Here we go again. After the concert, they're gonna do the work again, like the interview, this. Ah, come on. Pahinga, no? Grabe.
Dito sa house.
Uy, ba sa'yo?
Papa-concept ko to sa bahay ko.
So paano to? Nasa likod yung water?
So, depende siya sa plant type. Yung iba,
Parang ano naman, no?
pinapako na sa amin yung buo. Kasi wino namin.
Tapos pero yung water, ano niya, nasa likod?
Oo. So, every 2 weeks, tina-harvest namin. So, iba,
Ay, talaga?
may whatever.
Sa bahay yun.
Talaga?
Look at here. Meron silang indoor
Ang galing naman.
Spotify.
Stephen Wong.
Napaka-loner naman ito.
Okay. Kama! Okay. So, for today, what's gonna happen, in a few minutes, you go on the stage. You're the first artist to perform on this new stage because I've mentioned nga na we
Performing
renovated
again?
the whole office.
Parang ano, karayom siya na
Wow! Napaka-VIP naman yan, no? Imagine you as an audience dyan sa parang VIP lounge na yan, no?
Running in the...
Mag-block na lang tayo kasi original sa tao.
Anong bakirong Bumalik sa walang hanggang Di pa sa kadamdam ang katapusan
Balikan natin agad. Make it go, sir. Give me the shiver.
Okay, tapos meron po yung SB, meron po kayong spill before Maka.
So, isa-strike out namin yung mic. Kunin niyo po yung mic. Tapos mag-sound yung mic. Hindi ka kasunod-sunod ah.
Oh, they still have Aruma, no? Man, Aruma is just with them, no?
Di ba, base? Yeah, ingat. Take care. Ingat lang.
Baka sa ano rin.
Yeah!
After ng tour na to si Stel, fluent na sa bahasa.
Ingat, Rumar. But we have the same. In Indonesia, pintu.
Pinto is pinito.
Pinto.
Pinto.
Door.
Door.
Philippines. Yeah. Kunting
Sumpah error.
Mga magkakaparehas pala.
Do you know Super means?
Yeah, it's error. It's error.
It's herb and Super is like...
It's like malfunctioning.
Yeah!
Error. It's error.
Sumpah error.
Super ito error. Do you know Anjir?
Yeah, I know what that is. Anjing.
Anjir!
Goblok.
Let's go!
What's happening?
Okay. Tapos ka na tumae? Yes. Tapos na akong tumae.
Every day? Ganyan, papapabukan mo lang.
Let's get it giddy, let's go, 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 go. Get it giddy, let's go, 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 go. Where's my new beat? And it did, but
Our first project. Our first project.
Yes, I'm so happy
Energetic.
to see you guys do a sold out show today or yesterday at the show at the concert.
So,
Ganun siya.
solid sold out. Solid sold out Singapore. Solid sold out.
Sa. Eyes gotta get it pa. Tapos sa. Parang ibalik mo. So, ganun. Ayan. Hindi, nakaganon yung paa mo. Tapos, ganun. Tapos, sa.
Go.
Ganun mo parang. Sa.
Cha.
Tapos, nagaganon ka. Tapos, sa.
Ay,
Sa.
ba yan? Yung
Sa.
artist
Sa.
na yan.
Maganda nga nakanta nila eh. Pagkanan.
Proper lahat.
Pagkanan yung sinisiko.
Parang
Kanan yung pata.
One, two. I just gotta get it, watch me go. Da 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 da.
Ang liit na lugar nila, nagagawa pa nila eh.
Ganun-ganun na lang eh.
Quick breathing lang po.
Go! 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 Go!
Ganun na.
Na-influensya. Na-influensya na rin siya. Kanina nakaupo lang siya dito sa gilid eh, talaga. Ayun o. Minding his own business. Dito sa gilid.
Quick breathing lang
Ayun o, sa gilid lang siya, diba? Now we have him dancing again.
Go! Go! Go!
Ganun na.
SM, ano?
Hindi na napigilan.
Runner, yun lang naman.
Are you going to dance as well?
Dito na.
To the Spotify office in Singapore. It's a very new space. I know
Galit naman yun.
we have Pablo, Josh, Stella, Ken, and Justin of SB19.
Day 2, no? Day 2. Wow. Napakaswerte naman ng mga taga-Spotify.
Many things we can't control. I hope you know, burning inside.
The Echo, no? Wow. Napakaswerte nyo naman. You are sitting in a couch, no? Like just what? 5 feet away? Come on, man. Napakaswerte nito baka to. I want you. God damn. Isang vocal run nga ulit. I actually want to watch the full performance in here, no? Nang I Want You.
Yes, sir.
Come on, they just know, no, that they nailed that, no? Diba? Kita mo yung mukha yung ngiti ni dito. Hindi Ken. They just know that they actually nailed that song on this performance, no? Like the whole performance, like the harmonizationism, no? All the vocal runs and all the, come on, they know they just nailed it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's a good performance. Nothing's pala. Masaya ba sila?
fans
way,
and just
no?
just giving thanks to them, which is something that is so nice. You're so nice. And at the end, it says 2025 made in the Philippines. It's like Philippines.
Yeah!
Philippines, right? Filipino pride is very much there. So
Nagagalit.
Sayaw na. Yan lang.
Yun na naman. Hindi na natigil. Sobrang gang, sobrang energetic na.
So just sit down.
Baby Sarah. I saw. Dapat pala nila ako.
To be honest with you, when I first heard the song, I don't know it.
The S19. S19 logo.
Pag-umulit.
Which one? Iya pa. Kunin niyo na kunin. Di, lahat lang yan.
Perfect.
My start. Alright. Let's go. Alright, well again, that is SB19 vlog, no? Solid, sold out, Singapore. Sobrang solid, sold out. But that's a very enjoyable vlog, no? Nakakita ulit tayo ng parang full vlog nila ng like performance and them performing, no? I feel like itong mga nakaraan, they focus more on what they are doing outside the actual, performance in the country, because I feel like, pinapakita yung parang napakaliit lang na pangyayari during the performance or the concert, and then most of the time the vlog is about what they're doing on that country, but dito nakita tayo ng the preparation, the performance again, and I mean nakakaingit lang yung mga nasa sa Spotify for them to experience that, like them just performing just 5 feet away from them. 5 feet away from them, no? Sobrang private, for sobrang VIP siguro sa pakiramdam, no? But yeah, I really enjoyed that. Again, we just sharing with our boys with this video, of course. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that as well. If you want me to react to your favorite artist, singer, rapper, song, and get out tayo, just comment down below. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. Peace.